All right, just picked this cool little Echo chainsaw. It's a CS341. Spent 40 bucks on it. Not sure if it runs. Don't know much about it other than the lady saying that it was her husband's and that it needed a little bit of maintenance. Chain definitely needs to be tightened. Sounds like it has compression. Not too sure. We're gonna throw some fuel in it, see if it runs. All right, just finished putting some fuel in. Go ahead and prime it up a little bit. Hit the choke. And then let's see if it'll start.